get that bag. Now I like the rest, can't see me yet. Supposed to game not chest, don't fret, not even doing my best. How did I keep it anything but 100%? Design is fit, it costs more than they ran. I wanna be rapper, living it chair to chair. So I deliberately stand on their neck. Apply the pressure, I cannot keep holding this shit back. Became they stress and nothing less of this epitome of snap. Never a secondary thought, all I do is try. Out of moving, all I see are new steps. In these trenches I can go in depth. Power moves like some reps, so official, call me ref. Blow the whistle, you just made a foul step. I need a second to take a look at this recap. I've taken a minute, I hear my feedback. Stay in your lane, don't parlay with these lames. Quit playing these games. You playing with open flames or covered in gasoline. You gonna burn